What if your drone could carry payloads, shoot cinematic video, and avoid crashes on its own? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the powerful new AE60 GPS drone, and this one is seriously next level. Right out of the box, this drone feels big, solid, and professional. Carbon fiber style design, foldable but heavy-duty build, large touchscreen remote controller. This doesn't feel like a toy. It feels like a mission-ready drone. Let's take it to the sky. Brushless motors for strong wind resistance, up to 12-kilometer transmission range, stable GPS positioning and hovering. The stability is impressive. Even in windy conditions, it holds position like a pro. This is where things get exciting. 4K video plus 8K photo capability, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, day and night shooting modes. The footage comes out smooth, cinematic, and super detailed. This drone is packed with smart tech, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, auto return, low battery or signal loss, GPS tracking and waypoint flight, manual camera control, exposure, white balance, etc. It's basically a smart flying camera with a brain. And here's something you don't see every day, 800-gram Payload Airdrop system. You can literally deliver small items from the sky. Super fun and useful. Battery and endurance. 9,800 milliamp hour massive battery, long flight sessions, reliable performance. This thing is built for long missions, not short flights. Pros: powerful and stable flight, smooth 3-axis gimbal camera, long-range transmission, obstacle avoidance system, unique airdrop feature. Cons: long charging time, slightly bulky, advanced features may take time to learn. So, is the new AE60 GPS drone worth it? If you want a powerful, feature-packed drone for serious aerial shots and fun experiments, this is definitely worth checking out. So tell me, what would you drop using this drone? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Caring Guy for more insane tech reviews.